What's up, y'all? Another episode today. This is what I got from just showing y'all what I got. Today we're gonna be opening up some Phantom Revenge, but tomorrow we'll open up some Burst Protocol. I mean, I already did get these cards right here. Like, this is a $30 card. This is an $80 card. I'm trying to get the Starlight Rare though, right here, the Forbidden Crown. She's so pretty. Look at that. But anyway, I already did like 3 boxes already, 4 boxes. So today we're just gonna do a Phantom Revenge and see what we can get. Alright, so go. Pack. 1, 2, 3. Part of the Forbidden, Master Tao, the Creator, Intercraft, Terrors, Earthbound. Ooh, cool Toon Synchro. Ultra rare. Nice. Alright. Next pack. Hopefully we get Starlight Rare. I've been looking for that Intercraft. I can't remember what card it was, but I know it started with Intercraft. But it might be this one that I'm looking for. That might be a Starlight Rare. But anyway, let's just go on through. Next one. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright. That was horrible how I did that. Alright. So, Iron Illusion. Nope. No Starlight Rare yet. Last pack magic. Let's hope we get something, huh? Let's see. Alright, well, see you guys tomorrow or later on today. Peace.